Shreya is celebrating her 13th birthday today. Her mom is baking a cake for her birthday party. As per the recipe, she uses 4 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar. While she was preparing for the cake, Shreya came to her and says, "Mom, few more friends are coming for the party than what we estimated." Mom says, "Okay, no problem. I will triple the quantity of the ingredients to make the cake bigger." Earlier, Shreya's mom was using 4 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar. But now she has tripled the quantity of flour as well as sugar. Therefore, the total number of cups will become 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Mom says, "Shreya, can you find out the total number of cups of ingredients used for this preparation?" Shreya says, "Mom, I can solve this numerical expression." She does the addition of 4 and 3 first. She got 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 42. She says, "Am I right, Mom?" "Mom, I am afraid, Shreya, you are wrong. Let me tell you how we will simplify such numerical expression which consists of more than one operation. We solve such expression using order of operation. Order of operation is a rule that tells us which math operation to do first. There are basically 4 steps of this rule. First, do operations in brackets. Second, do OF, which means multiplication. Third, do division and multiplication. Fourth, do addition and subtraction. In short, this rule is called as BODMAS rule, where B stands for brackets, O stands for OF, D and M stands for division and multiplication, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. To solve any numerical expression, we use this rule in a sequence, starting from brackets to subtraction. Let us discuss each of these rules in details. First, do operations in brackets. What does brackets mean? Brackets are the symbols which are used to group numbers. These are of 4 types. First, this symbol is known as a bar or a line bracket or vinculum. Second, this symbol is known as common bracket or parenthesis. Third, this symbol is known as curly brackets or braces. And lastly, this symbol is known as big bracket or rectangular bracket. We follow a particular sequence of solving these brackets. We solve the vinculum first, then parenthesis, then curly bracket, and lastly the rectangular bracket. For example, if this is a problem, then we solve the group which is inside vinculum first. So we get 4 plus 3 minus 7 plus 1. Next, we solve the group which is inside the parenthesis. We get 4 plus 3 minus 8. Then we solve the group which is inside curly bracket. We get 4 minus 5. And lastly, we solve the rectangular brackets. We get the final answer as minus 1. The next in BODMAS rule is to do the OF in the given expression. For example, if this is an expression 7 of 2 plus 1 plus 3 in curly bracket, how to solve this? Since we know in BODMAS rule, brackets are to be solved first and then OF. We will solve the numbers inside the brackets first. Therefore, 7 of 2 plus 4. Now, we will solve 7 of 2, which means 7 multiplied by 2, which gives 14 plus 4, equal to 18. The third in the BODMAS rule is to do the division first and then multiplication. For example, look at this expression. We see that there is a bracket here. So, as per BODMAS rule, we solve the bracket first. We get 5 multiplied by 1 of 10 divided by 5. Next, we know that we have to solve the of. So, 5 multiplied by 1 of 10 means 1 multiplied by 10. We get 10 divided by 5. Next, we have to do the division first and then multiplication. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 5 is 2, which gives 5 multiplied by 2 equal to 10. The last rule of BODMAS is to do the addition and then subtraction. Let us solve this expression 4 multiplied by 5 minus 9 minus 10 plus 20 divided by 8 minus 6 minus 3. As per BODMAS rule, we need to first solve the brackets. In brackets, we need to solve the vinculum. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 5 minus 9 minus 10 plus 20 divided by 8 minus 3. Next, we need to solve the parenthesis. 8 minus 3 is 5. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 5 minus 9 minus 10 plus 20 divided by 5. Next, we need to solve the curly brackets. Now, inside the curly bracket, we see that there are two operations, addition and division. Here, we are going to use the BODMAS rule inside these brackets. Since division comes prior to addition, so we divide 20 and 5, which is 4, and then add 10 to 4, which gives 14. We still see rectangular bracket in this expression. We solve this first. We get 4 multiplied by 5 minus 9 minus 14 is minus 5. We know that minus multiplied by minus is plus, equals to 4 multiplied by 5 plus 5. Lastly, out of the remaining two operations, we will do multiplication first, as it comes before addition in BODMAS rule. Therefore, 20 plus 5 is 25. Mom says, Shreya, can you simplify the numerical expression now? Daughter, yes mom, I can by using BODMAS rule. As per BODMAS rule, we do multiplication first and then addition. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Equal to 12 plus 6 gives 18. Thus, there are in total 18 cups of ingredients which is used to bake the cake.